Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert an image in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just go into a document that we want to edit. Then tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Then in the top row we find the plus icon, just tap on that. Then we tap on insert image, and here we can select whether we want to insert the image from our gallery or from our camera or from the internet. And after we have selected one of those, then we can just proceed by selecting the picture that we want to add. Or with camera, you can just take a picture and insert that into your document. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.